Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Oil Rises on Supply Concerns by Rowena Edwards. Oil rose on Thursday on supply concerns and as a Bank of England interest rate hike defied some expectations of large increases. Brent crude futures were up 71 cents, or 0.79% at $90.54 per barrel by 1,408 GMT, after rising by more than $2 earlier in the session. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude was up for 53 cents, or 64% at $83.47, after rising by more than $3 earlier in the session. The European Union is looking at an oil price cap, tighter curbs on high-tech export to Russia, and more sanctions against individuals, diplomats said on Thursday in response to what the West condemned as a new escalation in Moscow's war in Ukraine. Russia pushed ahead on Thursday with its biggest conscription since World War II, raising concerns and escalation of the war in Ukraine could further hurt supply. Russian President Vladimir Putin's frequent irrational action and reaction are what will keep the market volatile and violent on occasion, said Thomas Varga, oil analyst at London brokerage PVM Oil Associates. Supply constraints from the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, aid further support, analysts said. OPEC crude exports have leveled off from a strong increase at the start of this month, said Giovanni Staunovo, commodity analyst at UBS. Crude oil demand in China, the world's largest oil importer, is rebounding, having been dampened by strict COVID-19 restrictions. The Bank of England raised its key interest rate by 50 basis points to 2.25% and said it would continue to respond forcefully as necessary to inflation despite the economy entering recession. The news failed to have a bearish impact on prices as the rate hike was less than markets had been pricing and diving some expectation that UK policymakers might be forecast into a large move, ENG Bank said. Meanwhile, Turkey's central bank unexpectedly cut its policy rate by 100 basis points to 12%. When most central banks around the world are moving in the opposite direction. Following the Federal Reserve's hefty 75 bps rise on Wednesday, rate increase also come thick and fast from the Swiss National Bank, Norges Bank, and Indonesia Central Bank, with a further hike expected from the South African Reserve Bank later in the day. This just shows how synchronized with current tightening cycle, is Deutsche Bank said. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel.